Nah, you know the vibe. We see you looking, you should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the saucy chef, she got skills. Nana the saucy chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making pickles. The ingredients that we're going to need today are vinegar, dill, red pepper flakes, that's optional, black peppercorns, sugar, salt, garlic cloves, and also you will need 1 cucumber. Okay guys, so we're going to need 1.5 cups of vinegar. As I said, the red pepper flakes are optional if you like heat. I used 1/2 teaspoon. You also want 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, 3 to 4 garlic cloves, 3 sprigs of dill, and 1 cucumber. You want to go ahead and make sure you wash your cucumber off. The first thing I'm going to do is wash my cucumber, and then I'm going to begin to cut it. Okay guys, this is the thickness you want your cucumbers to be. Next, in a pot over medium-high heat, you want to add in your vinegar. We're also going to add in our salt, our sugar, our garlic cloves, and also our black peppercorns. Now you want that to come to a boil, and you want your sugar and your salt to be all the way dissolved. Once it has come to a boil and your salt and sugar is all the way dissolved, you want to go ahead and turn it off. Now we're going to let it sit until it gets just warm. Here I put my cucumbers into a bowl. You want to make sure it has a good lid if you're using a bowl, or you can also use a mason jar. Okay guys, once your vinegar mixture is warm, you want to go ahead and pour it over top of your cucumbers. Now make sure you get all your peppercorns in. Now all I'm going to do is give it a little mix. Now I'm going to add my red pepper flakes. I'm going to just move that around in there. Now you want to add your sprigs of dill. You put that in there and just kind of push it down. And we're putting 3 in. And you just want to push it down until it gets into the vinegar mixture. Now all we're going to do is put our lid on. We want to make sure it's nice and tight. As I said, you can use a mason jar. And we're going to put it into our refrigerator and let it set overnight. Okay guys, so here we have it. Our homemade pickles. As you can see, they look delicious. They taste really good. They're so full of flavor. So now all I'm going to do is transfer them into this little jar. Okay guys, as you can see, I transferred my pickles into this jar. These are really delicious. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.